come up on a crazy scam, PPP, if they come up on a crazy scam, a crazy play, before it gets burnt out, but they're living scam to scam. It's nothing consistent. Most trappers are somewhat consistent. The average trapper always is going to have clientele. They're always going to have product. They're always going to be making sales every day. If I was a betting man, I would put my money on the 100 trappers. You know, this is a little fun video, nothing too serious or anything else. I'm going to dive more deeper into actual real strategies, but I had to talk on this because I went viral. The shit got posted everywhere. It got posted on live mixtapes, a bunch of different vlogs. I got like almost 1 million views on my video that I posted. It went viral on Twitter. People were noticing me when I was going outside and things like that. I just had to take some time to appreciate my virality. If this content brought you any type of value, please like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new. And until next time, peace. I'm out.
Let's make Snoop Dogg's favorite recipe, billionaire bacon. This one's only 4 ingredients: brown sugar, black pepper, and chili powder. Give it a little mix around, then sprinkle it over some streaky bacon. For crispy bacon, you've got to cook it low and slow, 135 for about 40 minutes. Now they need to cool, so get them on a cooling rack. And now you have 15 minutes to do whatever activity you like. So what actually happens is, as they're cooking, obviously the fat renders down and the sugar starts to melt, and then it mixes, and that makes a literal caramel. So this is caramel bacon. Let's try it. Snoop Dogg is onto something. I wonder how he came up with this.
From summer's end till the winter comes, till gray days turn to yellow ones. I stay grinding for mine. I try to tell them once, to travel to the moon, you gotta brave the elements. And battle many goons, you gotta cage the elephants. It's elementary, I speak with a certain eloquence. I smoke hella blunts, that habit I've been developed since I was a young boy playing the silver ball. See them stand, feel them fall, Metallica, kill them all. Living like this is my last moment, but a moment could last forever. Snap a picture in that colon. Give whatever you going, sip in your glass, hold it up, hit the side on mine, get the tip in the back, go in. So many days we were sitting low, better get busy living till the day you give it and then get to go where the sinners go. Pulling the cash and spend it slow, better make it fast, but them shit no matter no money, yo, it's all expendable. You'll be alright, yeah.
No, we ain't watching Tamaru and Shikamaru. That'll be later on Spider Pig, but y'all know how we do. We gonna get up out of Rumble.